4 Ellentires, and we have a rate. We have 6 more of something. All right. The problem says write an equation in slope-intercept form for total Ellentires, y. So our Ellentires are our y, and our days are our x. Okay, and I'm going to write this up above here just so we can visualize it a little better. So we've been given a point, x comma y, right? Days comma Ellentires. We've been given a point, 12 comma 84, and we've been given a slope, right? It's a positive 6 because we're getting 6 more Ellentires every day. If we want to put it in slope-intercept form, we can't do that right away because we don't have a starting point. What we need to do is put it in point-slope form. So let's do that. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. All right, so y minus 84 is equal to 6 times x minus 12. So the first thing I do is distribute. Y minus 84 is equal to 6x minus 72. And then I need to add my 84 to both sides here. And I get y is equal to 6x plus 12. And that is the answer for my first part. That's slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 6x plus 12. The next question here says, which of the following ordered pairs represents the starting number of Ellentires? Well, starting number we already know. The starting point is 12, right? Our y-intercept is 12. 0 comma 12, right? So when y is 12, x is 0. So if we look at our list of points here, the last one is the one that matches that. Over to the right, it says fill in the following table, and it gives us two x values. They want to know what y is when x is equal to 0 and when x is equal to 10. Well, the first one we know. We just calculated that. When x is 0, y is 12. In order to figure out what y is when x is 10, I'm going to enter the equation into my calculator. So again, I'm going to open up my calculator. So I'm already in y equals, so 6x plus 12. Let's go to my table. All right, and then x is 10, y is 72. So that's what I would write down here, 72. The last part here is graphing of this. Okay, so I'm going to write the equation just so we have it. Y is equal to 6x plus 12. Days is already labeled here on my x-axis. My y-axis is Ellentires. All right, and then the other thing I need to do is I need to figure out my scale. The scale on my x-axis is already labeled. It looks like it's going by ones for each line. And then going up, my highest value here is 72. If I look at my table, right, it has 0 and 12 and 10 and 72. So when I need to go up to at least 72. In this case, I think it might make sense to go by tens. So 10, 20, that's 50, that's 100 up there. So 0 and 12, that's my y-intercept, my first point. And again, this is array. It's already chosen here, but if you haven't chosen array, you would choose that in GMM because we have a positive slope here. And then my second point, when x is 10, y is equal to 72. That would be right here. And then I will connect that with a line. There we go. And that's what it would look like. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of how to deal with some of the word problems. Like I said, it's all about picking out the information in the problem that you're given, figuring out what they're asking for, and then determining which equation of the line is the best one to use in each case. It does take a little bit of practice, so like I said, don't get frustrated when you're first starting out. Everybody struggles a little bit. We'll be glad to help you if you have any questions. All right? Thanks.